Is it possible to build a model railway for £500? The team at Hornby Magazine think you can. Once you have purchased your locos and rolling stock, you need somewhere to run them. And with a clever track plan, making use of inexpensive materials and kits, along with second-hand items, almost anything is possible. In the final part of this series, sponsored by TMC The Model Centre, it's all about the scenery. With less than £100 remaining, will we have enough budget to gather the materials we need to bring this layout to life? We show you how to make cost-effective trees and bushes, apply static grass to the layout, and build a timber yard for zero cost. Join us as we present the £500 Layout Challenge, exclusive to premium members of KeyModelWorld.com.
Are you modelling on a budget of £500 or less? At TMC we have you covered with thousands of lovingly pre-owned items, from locomotives to wagons, rolling stock and plastic kits, and much more. Look out for new listings on our website every Friday. And to be sure that you don't miss out, subscribe to our newsletter. Alternatively, if you're looking to sell your collection, get in touch with us by email or telephone for a customised quote. For more details, including how to get in touch with our helpful members of staff, visit themodelcentre.com.
Introducing Key Model World, your new online destination for everything railway and scale modelling. Featuring exclusive videos and features, unseen images, step-by-step guides, railway history and the latest news. Plus, it's home to our full layout build series.
I'm going to stop you right there though, because I didn't do this. This is all you're doing.
Join us for the latest content from Key Publishing's modelling titles, Hornby Magazine and Airfix Model World. Sign up today for as little as £3.75 per month, or if you're a magazine subscriber, bolt Key Model World onto your subscription package now. For more details, visit KeyModelWorld.com.